Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So yesterday Google have rolled out a new build of Android 13 which is the first beta based on Android 13. In past we have seen developer previews based on Android 13 for Pixel devices. So here we have flashed the GSI image of Android 13 on a OnePlus 7 Pro, and in this video we'll take a look at all the changes what Google have done on Android 13. We will also show you what all things are working on this GSI image after flashing it on our OnePlus 7 Pro. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here we have our OnePlus 7 Pro on which I have already installed the Android 13 GSI image of Pixel 5. You can see here it says Android 13 which comes with the 5th April 2022 security patch, and build number says ported by Nippon using Irfan GSI tool. So this is a GSI image and I will not recommend you guys to flash it on your primary device because behavior of GSI images is always different on different OEMs. But still, if you guys want to try it out, I'll leave the installation guide in the description below. Just follow that installation guide. It's a video guide. Just follow it and you'll be easily able to install it on your OnePlus 7 series. And now before talking about all the new features, let's keep a like target of 500 likes on this video. And we have 82% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel. So if you guys find our videos helpful to you, do consider subscribing and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. So there are some useful features added on Android 13 first beta build, and one of my favorite is now we get the ability to adjust the screen resolution. So this feature wasn't present on developer previews or even Android 12, but here you can see now in the display section we have an option to switch between different resolutions. If you want, you can keep it on Full HD, which is 1080p, and if a device supports QHD, then you can select 1440. A very useful feature. And now talking about other changes. So first change what you guys gonna notice will be under wallpaper and style section. So here you can see now under wallpaper colors we do get additional color options, or you can say additional color palettes. And this also depends on wallpaper to wallpaper. So currently you can see this is the wallpaper we are using, and we have total number of 16 different color palettes, 4 on each page. Under basic colors also, now they have added few solid colors along with different dual color palettes. And under wallpaper colors we have tri-color palettes. So depending on the wallpapers you'll have color selections, or you can say number of color palettes. And now on the lock screen also we have a minor change. For example, here you can see if you're using a keypad, on the previous builds we did not used to see this enter your pin option, but now on Android 13 beta 1 we have this text which says enter your pin. And there's another feature which can be found in the display section going to lock screen, which says control from locked devices. And the description you can see control external device without unlocking your phone or tablet if allowed by the device control app. So if you use the home controls, you can access everything from here, but right now this isn't working on my device, or you can say this particular GSI, but in future this access will be allowed. On beta 1, Google have also removed this system-wide search feature from the app drawer, which was a very helpful feature. I'm not sure why Google have removed it. Next major change what you guys gonna see is with the media control. So let me play one song and show you guys. So here you can see this is the media control which have completely adapted to the Material You theming part. Now the app icon also adapts this same thing which wasn't present on developer preview. And another change what you guys gonna notice, if you take a look at the progress bar, you can see the length of song which is played appears in waves and the rest appears in the straight line. I don't find this feature much useful, but yes, kind of looks nice. What are your thoughts about these changes, what they have done? Do let me know in the comment section below. Also, we have got back the do not disturb mode, which was changed to priority mode in the previous update, which was developer preview. Another change on this beta is related to clipboard. So for example, let's open up our website, and if you try to copy something from here, so let's long press copy. Now you get to see this screenshot type preview towards the bottom side, and tapping on it will take you to Clipboard Editor. From here you can edit the same stuff, and this also works with pictures and URLs. For example, let's copy this image, and there you can see tapping on it will give you options to edit, and the same thing goes with the URL. If you copy URL, that also appears in the screenshot preview, or you can say screenshot thumbnail type. Another change what you guys gonna notice, when you connect your device to PC, now you have a different icon on Android 13 open beta. So this is the screenshot which I took. This is another change which can be found on Android 13 first beta build. So guys, these were some of the changes, and now let's take a look at these features which aren't working on my OnePlus 7 Pro. and which are working, you can say. So first of all, we have partially working alert slider. For me, Jio SIM card did not work, but when I changed the SIM card, I used my primary SIM card, which is Airtel, that seems to be working fine here. And the GSI won't have any Google Camera application, so I'll provide the ported Google Camera application, which you can download from the description below. This works fine on my OnePlus 7 Pro except front camera, because OnePlus 7 Pro comes with pop-up camera mechanism, and that's the reason this application never worked on any of the GSIs. But if you don't have pop-up camera mechanism, this application should work on any smartphone running GSI images. Bluetooth has always been an issue on GSI images, so do not expect Bluetooth to be working fine. We don't have the ability to use fingerprint, though fingerprint unlock will work with the devices which have physical fingerprint scanner. But you won't get working fingerprint scanner on your OnePlus 7 Pro. And at last, fast charging is also not working on this particular GSI. So guys, these were the features of Android 13 first beta build, and you guys must be aware now what all things are working if you flash any GSI on other OEMs. And as said, if you guys want to install the GSI image, you guys can find the installation guide in the description below along with the video guide. So guys, as of now only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. And also if you are new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.